Today's tutorial, how to auto-fit cells in Excel using C#. Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to auto-fit cells in Excel using C# and IronXL. This is the sample financial Excel file that we'll be using to perform the actions. Notice it has uneven sized columns and rows. Let's now move to Visual Studio. First, make sure your IronXL is installed and your license key is set in an environment variable so that you can reference it in your project. I've already done this ahead of time. Let's load a financial sample.xlsx and grab the default worksheet. That's where we're going to work. We'll start by auto-fitting every column. We loop through each column index and call auto size column. IronXL sets the correct width automatically. Now we save that as auto-resize.xlsx. That file has nicely resized columns. Now we auto-fit all rows. We loop through each row index and call auto size row, letting IronXL pick the right height. Save this as auto-resize rows.xlsx. The rows in this file now match their content height. All right, but what if you need specific sizes? Not a problem. We set row zeros height to 500 and column zeros width to 5,000. Then we save it as specific value.xlsx. So let's run the application now, and we'll wait a moment for it to finish creating the three files. All right, so I've opened all three files: auto-resize XLSX, auto-resize rows XLSX, and specific value XLSX. And you can see the differences side by side. The first file shows auto-fitted columns. The second shows auto-fitted rows. And the third shows our manual sizes. Everything looks perfect. With IronXL, adjusting cell sizes is quick and avoids manual work in Excel. So give it a try on your next project. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.